Welcome to another episode of Flash Novus at Crivello's Cameras. It is a beautiful day to be a robot and a beautiful day to be in a camera store. Today we are listening to a beautiful song from that awesome band, Information Society, and their classic robot song, Hack. In addition to this amazing music, we also have a very special guest today. Yes, his name is Troy, and he works here at the store. Hello, Troy. Thank you for coming to join us. Why, thank you, Flash. It really is a pleasure to be here today. I can't believe that I'm talking here with a live robot. That is so incredible. I'm so glad to be a part of this experience, and I'm so glad you can help us sell cameras here and talk about cameras. So let's talk about what we've got here today. The first item is this kit from Sony. A little bit to your right there, Flash. There you go. This here is for all people who have been interested in mirrorless cameras. This is the Sony A6000. It's a 2-lens kit. Normally sells for about $1,000, but currently has a $350 instant rebate on it, which brings that price down to about $650. If you're just looking to get into mirrorless cameras, this is really a great kit. But if you don't need that much involvement, maybe you want a point-and-shoot camera, well then we have that, something like that for you too. Flash, let's see that Canon point-and-shoot that we've got there. It's a great camera. Everybody will want this camera, I'm certain. Can you find it there, Flash? Flash, not that one. Not that one, Flash. The other camera. The other, come on, I believe in you. You're still a good robot. Let's see that other one though. You are a fantastic, you are a very good robot, Flash. Yes, there we go. This here is, there we go, bam. This is the Canon SX740HS with a 40 power zoom, as you can see an articulated screen as well. Normally sells for around $400, but currently has a $20 rebate, bringing that down to about $380. Thank you very much, Flash. As that has a very long zoom, and if maybe you're interested in those sorts of things, then you'll be very impressed. Oh wait, no, I even got ahead of myself. This actually, if you are into adventures, if you like to splash around, get wet, mountain bike, do all sorts of exciting things like that that humans and robots both enjoy, maybe you do need the Olympus TG Tracker. This adventure cam works with all GoPro accessories. Normally retails for around $350, but thanks to a $50 rebate from the store and a $150 rebate from Olympus, that brings its price down to around only $150. Yes, I know, Flash. It's amazing. It's amazing indeed. So if you have been looking for an adventure cam, this is something you should really consider. Thank you, Flash. Let's move on to our next item there. Our next item is a very unique lens from our used department. If you are into sports photography or nature and wildlife photography, we have a Canon EF 300mm 2.8 lens. Very fast aperture, beautifully built lens. This is selling for about $1,500 in our used department. It is not the image stabilized version, but still beautiful. And for only $1,500, it's a great deal. Thank you, Flash. Very good. You are a fantastic show robot, I tell you. Now, not everybody wants to play with heavy-duty gear like that, though, like the 300-2.8. And for them, we say, hey, check out a Holga. Some people say it's junk. Other people say it's art. Some people have even said the same about Flash, and I don't believe them. I think he is art in its entirety. So if you've been looking to play with medium format film and want something just a little bit different that not everybody else is doing, the Holga might be right for you. That makes a 6x6 centimeter negative. Again, uses 120 film and is retailing for a mere $35. So get funky and get Holga. And our final item of the day, continuing in a sort of old school fashion, I've talked about it before, but it's worth talking about again. This beautiful screw mount Pentax 85mm 1.8 portrait lens is just a beautiful lens. If you've got an old film screw mount camera, you can use it on there, or if you've got a modern mirrorless camera and you want to do something extra special, this lens, I've played with it here a little bit in the store, and it's a real great lens. That's all I can say. It is selling for about $375. Thank you, Flash, for Vanna Whiting that lens for us here. Here, I'm going to put that cap back on. Heck yes. Thank you, Flash. You are such a great robot. As ever, thank you everybody who continue to watch this video. Thank you to everyone who continue to support locally owned businesses as we navigate through this weird year of 2020. Many of you have continued to come in here wearing masks because you want to keep us safe and we want to keep you safe, and we appreciate that so much. Likewise, everyone's been really great about properly socially distancing within the store. We can't thank you enough for that. Yes, thank you, Flash. You are so cognizant. You are a fantastic robot. As ever, though, yes, we want to be here to help you. So come on in, let us know how we can serve you, and yeah, let's take some great photos. Thank you very, very much. Done.
All right.
Whew. Let me